Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. As I'm sticking to our healthy, clean eating diet plan, today I'm making yellow moong dal with some spinach, Daal Palak, which requires very minimal ingredients but still tastes very delicious and flavorful. So let's go and make it happen. So first take a yellow moong dal split green gram and wash it in a running cold water until water runs clear, and then keep this on the side. Now chop off the spinach into medium-sized pieces, and before using it we need to wash it. I learned this method from my mom. All the leafy vegetables should be cleaned thoroughly, so just swish in a bowl of cold water and let sit for a minute. Then lift into a colander to drain. As you can see, all the sand and grit comes into this bowl, and why this water is so green. So just repeat the same process. Dump the water and then wash the spinach again into a colander, and then keep it on the side until all the excess water drains out. Now time to start cooking. Transfer your soaked dal into a heavy bottom pan with some water. Cover and let it cook until dal is completely tender. As you can see here, dal is completely done, so just transfer the dal into other pot and keep it on the side. Now take another cooking pot, heat some oil and then add some cumin seed. Let them sizzle for a minute or so, and then add some ginger and garlic and cook this for another minute. Then add some chopped onions and let them cook until they turn into a light goldenish brownish color, and add some salt. Then add some red chili powder and some water, like a table to 2 tablespoons. We don't want our masalas to get burned. And add some turmeric powder and mix well and cook for a minute. Then add some chopped spinach and mix well, and then cook this mixture until spinach is wilted, and this will not take more than a minute or two. And then add the cooked dal with a cup of water, and then mix well and then let it come to one boil. Then cover and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then finally add some lemon juice, mix, and then turn off the stove heat, and then serve it with steamed rice or a chapati roti. Healthy, nutritious and flavorful. There are many ways of making dal palak, but this recipe is very simple and easy one. And if you're trying this at home, don't forget to take a picture and send me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or on Snapchat. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.